Minister wished to address that issue of the standing order that quoted. I'm sorry. Yeah, no, I'm asking that. No, the Minister doesn't. That's fine. Now I have offerings from Deputies Shortall, Boyd Barrett, Donnelly, and now Timmins. Well, we only have 9 minutes left, so I'm Deputy Shortall anyways next on the list.
Deal with my proposal under Standing Order 23.
If there's no other proposal, could you resume your seat, please? I happen to be doing the order of business this morning, and I did note that the government proposed we sit till 10 p.m. That was decided on by the House. I'm also looking at the standing order that you quoted, Deputy Higgins. It doesn't change tomorrow's order, just to make that clear first of all, but it does state that the House can be suspended for a certain period, and I understand that would have to go to a vote of the House. Is it? So that's the only. If I take that from the standing order, is that right? Yeah. I'm sorry. So, Minister.
Just to help the House. The House is due to adjourn in 8 minutes. Yeah. So a motion to adjourn when will take more than 8 minutes to do. It's farcical.
Yeah. Well. I mean, I'm only. Very clear
demonstration from the Minister that indeed he can count. And if the Minister and the Government could actually just inform us in relation to the numbers that we've been looking for the last 2 years, there would have been no need for this. Yes. But we still have not answers from the Minister in relation to the amount of non-compliance that has been built into the figures that have been suggested. The Minister has, after given us a suggestion that he does accept the 1.64 million houses existed in 2011. He's now saying that he expects a level of non-compliance. I said it would be 22% of the overall, but not all of those households are customers of Irish Water. So it appears that he expects, at least in terms of private accommodation, non-compliance of over 30%, and that is not including second homes and so on and investment properties. So can the Minister, if the Minister cannot give these basic answers, I believe that, as has been asked in the motion that is in order, we should have a vote.
Yeah. Okay. Deputy Buttimer wanted. Okay. Well, I have no issue with that, but I just want to make the point that there's. Well, I'm sorry, Deputy. I can do. Please, I can do that. The
problem is he's saying he's adjourned until tomorrow. It's superseded. It's not. If Glasgow Carla, just on a point of order.
Chair, when you're in the chair, whether or not you take the proposal. It is now 5 minutes to the time that the House was ordered to actually finish its business, and it's nonsense to propose a motion of adjournment.
Obstructionism, that's all it is. Obstructionism.
So you have absolute discretion, Chair.
Yeah, just one moment.
Proposed the adjournment over an hour ago. Over an hour ago.
It was in the chair last Carla, and in accordance with standing orders, actually Deputy Healy's proposal wasn't correct. The only proposal that was valid, if I may, Deputy Healy, sorry, if I may, the only proposal that was valid was Deputy Higgins's one just a minute ago. Deputy Higgins's proposal was the only one that was valid.
The record will show that Deputy Buttimer was not in the chair. Yes. You yourself had taken. Yes. You yourself last young board had taken the chair. Proposal.
Deputy, sorry, there's clarification. There's a proposal kind of to adjourn the House for a specific period, which was till Tuesday. If that's accepted. If that is accepted, that supersedes any other proposal that was an order of business. Kind of, you indicated that it didn't supersede the sitting tomorrow. It does, in fact, because it is yes. but it is a later vote, which means it supersedes everything else. So if it is put to a vote at this stage, it is to adjourn till Tuesday.
Said the next speaker was Deputy Roisin Shortall, and there's only 4 minutes left, so Deputy Shortall wants to win. I'm going to. No. But I have discretion on that. No, sorry, Deputy Shortall. Well, Deputy Shortall, then Deputy Boyle Barrett was the next person to speak. I have a.
There's a proposal, and if you're putting it, you need to put it now. When it's
I have discretion on that.
He hasn't ruled. He hasn't ruled.
Please.
He suggested. Sorry. He's. I'm not saying he doesn't speak.
Yeah. Sorry. What? Yeah. Okay. I told. Yeah. No. It's not. Sorry. It's very clear that the adjournment is only for today. Deputy Donnelly, do you want to speak? There's only a few minutes remaining, and I'm quoting this. No, I'm not. I'm quoting the standing order. I'm quoting this. Please. All right. Deputy Shortall. Deputy Shortall is. Sorry. Deputy Shortall is only a few minutes remaining. Please.
Okay, you've given a ruling then Lascian Cordia. I would hope that the Minister takes the opportunity overnight to consult with his officials and come back when he's in a position to answer the many questions that have been raised here tonight.